This is the CREDANT Secure Cloud Proof of Concept demo. We're going to show you a client-based approach today. You see here a diagram showing two PCs. They're going to sync data through Dropbox, but it could be any cloud storage provider here. Dropbox.com just happens to be the one we're showing today. The data is going to be encrypted with keys provisioned by the CREDANT Enterprise server, which provides policy control, key management, compliance reporting for this activity, as well as AD integration. So what we're going to show you is a client that's installed on our XP PC here, and it's going to be monitoring this CREDANT for Dropbox folder. So as sensitive data is dropped into that folder, the client's going to ask the server for a key associated with either this machine or this user, and use that key to encrypt the data. The file will also be renamed and moved into the Dropbox sync folder, where Dropbox will then sync it, of course, to its service, so it has securely been stored in the cloud. Then we'll see the Dropbox client on the Windows 7 machine sync that down, and that file will then be noticed by the CREDANT security client on the Windows 7 machine, where it'll be decrypted and renamed back into our CREDANT for Dropbox folder using the same key that we have used in the first PC to do the encryption. So both of these machines and or users have access to this key, and both of the machines are using the same Dropbox account for syncing purposes. Okay, well, let's look at the demo now. So here I have my XP machine, and I have my sensitive data file. You see there's nothing in the CREDANT for Dropbox folder or the CREDANT or the Dropbox sync folder. Let me show you the Windows 7 machine. Again, nothing in the Dropbox folder, the CREDANT for Dropbox folder, and nothing in the Dropbox sync folder. So let's go back here. Let's look at our sensitive data file. It doesn't really have sensitive data in it, of course. It just has financial projections, the types of things that are in sensitive data files, like financial projections, personal information, or intellectual property. So let's now take that file, we'll drag it into our CREDANT for Dropbox folder, and you see that immediately that file was copied down here, but it's copied with a different name, and it is an encrypted file. There's no way to read any of the information in it. If I go over to my Windows 7 machine, Dropbox has already synced that file over here, and so I have the same encrypted mess that I had before in that file, but the CREDANT agent found that file, used the same key that was used to encrypt the file on the XP machine, and decrypted it so that we now have our sensitive data file back. So this is a proof of concept showing how we can protect cloud storage for enterprises, in this case for Dropbox. I'd like to thank everyone for listening today.